Lara with Rise Illustration Studios, and today we are doing a Goodwill haul, pretty much a thrift haul. And the point of today's video is to find cool little things within thrift stores for cheap that you can then transform into fun, cool gifts or decor for around your home. So it's all art related. On the list today, I'm trying to find big picture frames that we can paint with nice glass that you can just get cleaned up, and I'll show you the idea that I have for that. So let's go, let's see what we can find. We are currently parked outside of Goodwill. It is 9 in the morning and the crazies are already out. Looks okay. It's already got a hook on the back. Alright, y'all, so we are back from thrifting and kind of got a little sidetracked during everything. We hit up a Goodwill and got some good finds, so I'm going to just run you through the different things that I got at Goodwill, and then I will show you what I got on a surprise stop. So first thing is this beautiful, beautiful blue vase. It's kind of got a odd shape to it. Love the texturing in there though. Love, 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 love that. And I got, I guess it's little taller brother. Not really sure. This one does have a little bit of chipping on it, but that's okay. You would give me both of them for $20, so little bit pricey, I know. And these will go on my mantle slash also TV stand that is right over here, and I'll do a separate video on the process of redesigning that entire mantle and then creating the pieces that go on top of it. So next I got this, I believe it's called a decanter. They had a selection of these at Goodwill. I did already wash it out, so it does have a little bit of condensation in there. But this one, I took the sticker off already, but I believe it was $2.99. Next item is this square bowl. This one was $2.99, and I am planning on washing this off, getting all that dust out of there, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray paint this one white. Next thing I picked up are a couple hardbound books. Now, these are fantastic as little side pieces, little end caps for over the mantle, or on the mantle I should say, sticking with the gray, white, black tones. So as a centerpiece for up on the mantle, I went ahead and picked up this piece right here. Now this one is going to be completely revamped. It is a nice brown. However, I'm gonna go ahead and make it a solid black or maybe a really deep charcoal. This one was $3.99, so not too shabby. Last thing that I got at Goodwill was this, this real big picture frame. Not really sure, what is this? I didn't even read what was on it. I really just looked at it for the frame. It'll be like a last name, actually it'll be like this. Last name, established, and look all cool. Be a really fun, interactive piece for a wedding. Alright, hi guys, so I just want to show you what I picked up at the estate sale. This is the over-the-door armoire that I got for $15. Original price was still on the box, and it said that it was $150. Don't know if it's worth that much, but let's take a look at it, show you what I got. So here is the head-to-toe look. Almost the full length of the door, not too bad. It's got this great little hook right here. So unhook it and it'll just pop right open. Now I haven't fully set it up, so don't mind the clutter. But if I take a step back, you can kind of see, has little peg holes. Unfortunately, in the box, the pegs weren't there. So we kind of had to get crafty. Went ahead and just used some nails and tapped them into the holes. These little bars right here go into the holes, and so you can put these little hooks up there. So I put some of my vinyl up there. Then I kind of did a makeshift thing down here. Used a couple screws and hooks and put this little bungee cord across so that I could fit as much vinyl in there as possible. So it does hold quite a bit. And I put a couple extra up on here. These shelves you can pop in and out. There are 3 shelves. And they only obviously can go on that side because it's a lot deeper than the door. This is the behind the door armoire that I picked up at an estate sale. Super excited, you guys. What an absolute blast. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Comment if you'd like to see more. Please subscribe. Subscribing really tells me that you're enjoying these videos and that you want me to bring more to you. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and start playing with this stuff. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks for being here with me.